Let's have a quick conversation about liquidity and the importance of liquidity. The best definition for liquidity when it comes to financial instruments doesn't matter if it's stocks, options, futures, real estate doesn't really matter. When it comes to buying or selling, the best definition of liquidity is it's the ability to buy or sell quickly without unduly affecting the price. I'm going to repeat that. It's the ability to buy or sell quickly without unduly affecting the price. So I ran a scan here for some breakouts, and I found a couple of decent looking breakout setups. And I found this really good looking chart on AAON. Really nice looking setup. It's got a great looking resistance zone. It's kind of got that cup and handle pattern to it. We like the pattern. It looks beautiful. Looks like it's got a nice little hammer candlestick, and I'm getting caught up in the details here on the price chart. But if I fail to notice here that the volume is just averaging 149,000 shares, well, first of all, that's violating my rule on liquidity. I'm not going to touch anything with less than 500,000 shares, preferably 1,000,000 shares. You can afford to be picky. Go over 1,000,000 shares on average. And the question would be is, well, could you buy or sell this stock without unduly affecting the price? And when you have illiquid or less liquid instruments, when you go to buy and sell, that means you're going to more often than not affect the price that you're looking at to buy or sell. Now, by comparison, in that same scan, and again, I didn't necessarily filter for volume on purpose, so I could find a good example. But Target also showed up on the scan, and it's got a nice looking breakout pattern here. And of course, you're all familiar with Target. And, you see that nice little breakout setup, and it's got that high base, bull flag, and we like the setup, we like the breakout. But here, I want you to notice the average volume is 5.27 million shares on an average day. And I'm a lot more confident that I'd be able to buy Target and sell Target quickly without unduly affecting the price. There's so many transactions going through per day. There's always a buyer, there's always a seller, and your ability to get in and to get out quickly without affecting the bid-ask spread, without affecting the price of the instrument is really what we're after. And we just don't want to get stuck in a trade and get a bad fill. So remember, when it comes to breakouts, only trade the most liquid instruments. Make a rule for yourself to not touch anything that has under 1,000,000 shares of average daily volume. You'll be happier as a trader. You'll be able to get in and out quickly. You won't get stuck in illiquid garbage that's hard to move. So remember, filter all your scans, and everything on your scouting reports, by the way, is always pre-filtered for volume. We make sure that it meets all those requirements for you so you can trade with more confidence and, again, without affecting the price unduly when you go to buy or sell.